I'm Felicia. I'm a branch manager in the financial industry. So I'm a mother of 2 young kids, 3 and 5 years old. The technology attracted me. It looked different, it felt different. I would say in many small ways, even though it may not be evident upfront, but in fact the day-to-day drive is one of the smoothest and safest. Every day I have to drive quite long hours. Sometimes it can get very tiring. With the auto steer, I'm able to put my mind at ease. It will warn me whenever I'm getting too close to other cars, as well as keep myself in the lane. I think end of the day when we drive, it's about getting from point A to point B and in the safest manner possible. Of course, because also I do have 2 young kids and I'm a mother myself, priority of safety is at the top for me. In terms of my kids, I really enjoy bringing them out. As a mother, of course, driving, you can never expect what kids might do. That's where the child lock is absolutely very important. There are really a lot of entertainment for them. The beach buggy game, and it's very real. Typically in Singapore, the weather is really hot. The car can really be heated up. So what I like to do is, I like to use my phone to switch on the aircon before I even go into my car. Yeah, so this is something that I never thought could have happened. One thing that I don't really enjoy about going to the petrol kiosk is the fumes. I think everyone knows how petrol smells, and it's not just about the smell. It's in fact harmful for our health. I imagine a future without fumes, without smoke. We are able to all wind down our cars. We are able to breathe freely without all these chemicals that are out in the air. I would say it's one of the greatest gifts that my kid can have in terms of their future.